Hi all, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do jewelry with molded. You can take molded base or any MDF base like this. Yeah, now before doing that, you have to take molded and you can uh, do those balls like this. See, you have to make a small ball and take a blunt pencil and just poke it. It will be it's look like a hole. And take a molded, make it into oval shape, and then just press it with the paper cutter to get this shape, okay, V shape. And this is the molded base, and I took a pen and making a hole so that we can hang like a pendant. Okay, now we'll let it dry, then meanwhile we'll mix the molded and then make thin coils like this and make a chain. This how to make a chain I've already uploaded and I already shown in mural art. Just go through it. Yeah, now apply fabric glue and then just paste that chain to the borders. The excess part you cut it. If you feel that the corners are not finishing is not good, just you cut it and you stick the other part. Yeah, now this is done. We'll keep it aside. Now which we have already done, we'll stick that small pebble which is having a hole in the center. Just we'll stick it in the center and then make a coil and then stick it like this. You have to give strokes with the paper cutter. And we have already done small pebbles. Those balls you need to stick, apply fabric glue and then stick those balls. You should not give any gap between those balls. The balls should be close to each other. Don't give any gap to the balls. And later on you just make a thin coil like this. All coils should be of same size and you make drop shape and keep it aside. And after that make a coil, stick it in the center and then you have to overlap the drop shape coil on the coil which we have already stick in the center. Yes, make use pen or pencil or any toothpick or any tool to press it properly. The edge you have to press it properly to the the drop shape one, and you have to lift that. Okay, now and then you have to lift that because the molded is wet, there are chances of falling it down. So now and then you have to lift those coils, drop shape coils. Yeah, sticking is done. Now just besides the balls we will stick one coil to get a nice look. Okay, just make a coil. Now apply fabric glue just besides those balls and then we will stick this coil. The excess part you have to cut it with the paper cutter or any tool which you have at home. Okay, after this, yeah, just lift those drop shape coils once again. And you can also stick fenugreek seeds for this, which I'm showing now, and any grains like dal, wheat and rice, and you can do the pendant. Now I'm adding I'm applying fabric glue and sticking those balls which we have already done. Now in the gaps I'll apply fabric glue and then stick round balls. Okay, after that make sure that this article should dry, then only you have to color it with black acrylic color. Yeah, now sticking is done. Yeah, two more. just press it nicely with the pen or any tool so that it will stick properly. Then after drying, you have to take black acrylic color to the brush, and then you have to dab it. In the dabbing technique, you have to color the whole pendant. And after drying, take pearl metallic gold and give dry strokes like this. The brush has to dry. Don't dip the brush in water. Dip the brush directly in pearl metallic gold and then you give dry strokes like this. See how beautiful it's looking. Yeah. Yes. The same like you can change the designs and you can make earrings and all. Yeah. If you're watching this channel for the first time, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press on bell icon to get more notification. Thank you all. Bye bye.